Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy live full guide. Whisk fat and flour over medium heat until golden, then slowly add warm stock while whisking to avoid lumps. Simmer 5 to 10 minutes to thicken, adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a splash of acid like lemon or vinegar. Strain for silky texture if desired, and finish with butter for shine before serving immediately over meat or veg. Measure your fat and flour carefully because heat changes thickening power. Stir constantly to avoid hot spots and burn, and control color from blonde to dark brown for flavor. Add warm stock in a steady stream while whisking to create a smooth emulsion, then simmer to reach desired consistency. Use a thermometer if needed, and remember that gravy thickens as it cools, so adjust slightly looser. Layer flavors from the start by sweating aromatics like onion, garlic, or shallot in fat before adding flour. Deglaze the pan to lift fond and use stock with complementary richness, and taste as you go to adjust salt, acid, and sweetness. Finish with a knob of butter or a splash of cream for body, and add fresh herbs at the end for brightness that cuts through the richness without overpowering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.